AI has a profound impact on defense and generally aerospace technology and drones in general. See, today, if you are seeing systems are becoming more autonomous, they are becoming more intelligent. It's not by chance. Today, AI models, like for example, a model which identifies an object tracking model, AI model, can fit within, maybe even the memory available on this remote, on a TV remote. Yeah. So, because of which the future of general, drone use cases as well as defense and aerospace use cases, we will see a lot more involvement of AI because it makes uh, the functioning and the deliverables of the system easier to achieve, and it also gives the ability to counteract against variable environmental conditions, like different like for example, if you have an AI powered stabilization system for a drone, you could predict wind patterns based on the oscillation of the drone itself. There's the research that's going on now. Similarly, today the defense is looking at using AI to counter the counter drone issue, where multiple drones coming across the border and by all kinds of non-friendly organizations. They are looking at a kind of a striker drone which we are working with them on, which is called the Ajeet Scout Striker AI, where our drone basically has a AI model which is able to recognize other drones up to a distance of close to 150 meters, and if you lock onto the specific drone once detected, it will go and hit it. So yes, AI is having a profound effect, and it's here to stay. And more companies, organizations are adopting it within their systems to enhance efficiency, reduce variability in terms of various conditional operations, and other aspects.